Mega big shoutout, welcome to Pure Stone Heart, and for today's video guys, we will do another unboxing. So, nag-order pa ako guys kasi birthday ng inaanak ko and I was assigned to be the in charge for the decoration. So, ito guys, nag-order po ako and dumating po yung pang-decoration. And let's see kung ito ba yung talagang order natin. So, online versus reality. So, dumating siya kahapon from Temo. I ordered this one in Temo, bika naman. Then, GNT. And then, yes. So, it arrived yesterday. So, 3 days. No. 6 days siya dumating. So, let's do the unboxing. Let's see. Okay, so this is the balloon, the first balloons, ayan, and meron dito, ayan, mga balloon po siya guys, ayan, mga designs, ayan, so lahat yan, so ang ganda ng packaging guys, so hindi na natin isa-isahin siguro. Ayan, may mga balloons. And, yeah, I guess, ito, isa ito sa dumating. Ayan. And then, we have another one. Actually, I ordered 2 for this one para hindi siya ma-short. So, ayan talaga yung, ano guys, other pairs. So, dalawa yan siya. And then, I have here, ito is, maganda to siya guys kasi, may number to siya number. So, ito is number 1. Number 1. Hindi ko alam paano to. But anyway, dito may piping. Kompleto talaga siya guys, hindi ka magsisisi Let's say, i-show natin ito guys kung ano ang kahinatnan pag in-order natin. And this one also, actually tatlo pala ang in-order ko, nakalimutan ko guys. So, tatlo ang in-order ko na balloon. And then ito sa isa is maganda ito kasi ito ay parang backdrop. Backdrop to siya guys na cloth. Ayan. So backdrop to siya. Tapos doon natin malalaman kung ano talaga ang kasi ocean team ang team guys is oceanic. So doon makikita natin ang team ng birthday. So, titingnan na natin guys and i-upload din natin kasama dito ang picture ng paano i-decorate siya guys. So, ito is nakalagay number 1. Ito is ang balloon. And design of the balloon. Tatlo ang in-order natin para just in case kulangin tayo, hindi na tayo makano, para pair talaga, para just in case sa lahat ng video is kayang i-accommodate. Tingnan natin to guys kung ano talaga ang pangyayari nito. So, there we go. Ito yung in-order natin sa Primo. Naka-arrive na. So, wala na tayong kaba guys kasi pwede na itong ihatid ko to siya this week para just in case man at least nandoon na ito siya. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe my channel and then hit the notification bell so you will be able to be updated in my next vlog. Thank you so much guys everyone. Bye.